Mom already uploaded this one in there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it, because when you first bring the artwork into Rapid Resizer, it gives you a much bigger measurement. So what I do is I hit the crop button and I move those lines just outside of the drawing itself, because that's the only thing I want to measure. This is where it gets a little tricky. First thing I'm going to put in is 40 inches wide, and that's going to give me a proportional measurement. You can see that the little proportional box is clicked. Well, proportionally, that makes it almost 19.5 inches tall. That's way too tall. So now I have to kind of mess with stuff. I'm going to try it at 11 inches tall and see how that looks. I think that looks pretty good. But I think I still want to mess around with it a little bit. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to crop out the top bird above the sun. That's going to give me a little bit more space, and it's really not detrimental to the look overall of the table. No one's going to notice that there's a bird gone. So that's going to allow me to get it a little bit taller. And I think once I did that and I made it 30 by 11, I think that's what we're going to go with. So remember that when you're doing this, you want to think of the entire look of whatever you're making, whether it's a sign or a table or whatever. If you're going to have background on the sides, you got to kind of think of it as a whole, not just the art.